The kids had a great time playing, especially on the trampolines and in the ball pit. The aerial activities felt a little dangerous, and the staff reminded us not to have multiple people on the same section at the same time. Great activity, suitable for both adults and children. The price is reasonable, and the environment is great. Besides the trampoline, there is also a 4D cinema next to it, which is a great experience. Facilities, fun for both adults and children. Experience, some facilities have limited operating hours. Convenience of Klook booking, instant confirmation and use. Quite fun, suitable for adults and children can. The price is almost the same as buying on site, but buy earlier to directly scan the QR code to enter. Buying on Klook is always cheaper than buying on site. Our family found 3 hours sufficient, including the 9D cinema. There's a vertical slide, rock climbing, high ropes course, and swings. There's also a somewhat dangerous activity where you jump into a ball pit. When my son played, he landed and his foot hit his eye. We feel this activity is quite dangerous. The place is very big and has many different activities relating to trampoline. We spent hours inside and it was great fun for both kids and adults. The 9D show is also very good and exciting. It was fun, but the adults got tired quickly and were out of breath. 2 hours of play was enough. Arrived early Saturday morning, not too crowded. The all-day pass includes 4D movies. Kids can play all day. Free 12-hour parking. Great value. It's very big and suitable for older kids. Children under 3 years old are not allowed. Remember to wear non-slip socks. The kids had a great time playing and it's a great place to burn off energy. Ready for instant use. Suitable for both adults and children, it's a great place to spend a day and burn off energy. Zhuhai is a great place to burn off energy. This time, we played for 3 hours, and the timing was just right. I was completely exhausted. The facilities inside are incredibly diverse, whether it's trampolines, rock climbing, or high-altitude obstacle courses, everything is thrilling. For those looking to quickly expend energy, this place is truly an energy black hole. After playing here, you'll definitely fall asleep instantly when you get home. Highly recommended. Service. The staff provided excellent service, and it's a great place for kids to burn off energy. Both children and adults had a wonderful time, and we plan to visit again. The place isn't big, but it has a diverse range of equipment. If kids have friends with them, they can easily play for a whole day. So much fun, every game is super exciting. It was boring being alone in the ball pit. I think it's worth bringing kids to challenge themselves and encourage them to be brave and pass the levels.